What if I tell you this is not my real face and neither my voice?
This is AI.
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence.
AI.
AI. Artificial intelligence.
Of course.
Using AI.
What you just saw was a deepfake video. पर deepfake होता क्या है? ये basically ऐसी वीडियो है जिसमें किसी का चेहरा किसी और की तरह बना सकते हैं and then use it for false and malicious practices. This is just to show you how powerful AI is and future में कितना game changer बनेगा. If you are also ignoring AI, then sooner or later you can also be replaced, not by the AI, but the people using the AI. Need for speed. Not talking about the game, but the need to speed up the creation process was long due until tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney among other AI tools came into the picture जिससे process और भी effective और efficient बन गई. Autopod for example एक ऐसा AI tool है जो आपके timelines पर automatic cuts create करता है और आपको बहुत सारा time बचाता है. AutoGPT आपके initial prompt के follow-ups को खुद से और online software and services से handle कर सकता है. This is a real game changer, and that's why AI is not only being actively used by creators but also by tech professionals. But that's where the concern arises. जैसे AI algorithms दिन ब दिन ज़्यादा capable बनते जा रहे हैं, वही creatives की job security की problem बढ़ती जा रही है. But you may be thinking that AI-powered content creation tools जैसे कि OpenAI की ChatGPT बनाए गए हैं ताकि creatives का काम आसान हो सके, right? And that is true. These AI tools leverage machine learning algorithms to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up the time of creators to focus on their higher level aspects of work. But इसका repercussion ये है that this affects the professionals working at the entry level positions. जैसे कि for example, ChatGPT उन लोगों को replace कर सकता है जिन्हें content को curate, copyright और research करना पड़ता है. अगर एक organization में 5 writers हैं, तो वही काम अभी 3 writers ChatGPT का इस्तेमाल करके वही output deliver कर सकते हैं. Recently, Adobe just announced an AI generator in Photoshop जो images और graphics को generate कर सकता है using prompts. The fear of losing jobs to algorithms that can deliver the same output is a real concern in the creative industry, खास करके entry level professionals के लिए. As we dive into the realm of AI art, it is crucial to deal with these concerns and establish systems that give proper credit to the people as they deserve and are held responsible in this ever-changing landscape. जब एक इंसान कोई आर्टवर्क बनाता है, they are recognized and credited for their unique vision, skill and effort. लेकिन जब AI एक डिजिटल आर्टवर्क जनरेट करता है, तो वो कुछ ही मिनटों में एक सिमिलर आउटपुट बना सकता है. इससे सवाल ये उठता है that who should be acknowledged as the real creator? The original programmer जिसने AI सिस्टम को डिजाइन किया है, या वो आर्टिस्ट जिसने AI को ट्रेन किया है, या खुद AI को. This is posing as a harm for creatives who are still using the traditional forms of creation. एक म्यूजिक प्रोड्यूसर जिसे हफ्तों लग जाते हैं बैकग्राउंड स्कोर क्रिएट करने में, उसको AI टूल से म्यूजिक क्रिएट करने वाला क्रिएटर रिप्लेस कर सकता है. क्यों? बस इसीलिए because he is so much more faster and also creating more output. Although AI generated art cannot be copyrighted as of today, but what if the law provides an amendment for that as well? I'm not trying to scare you, but this is an ongoing concern among creatives. AI से डरने के बदले, creators can harness its power by embracing it as a valuable tool. But there is still one thing that AI cannot do. Human creators have this ability to connect with their audience on an emotional level. वो अपने काम में uniqueness और authenticity ला सकते हैं. AI can analyze engagement metrics and provide useful insights by using tools like Google Analytics and social media monitoring platforms. But what AI cannot do is capture human emotions and relatability, and that's where it falls short. By embracing AI as a collaborative partner, creators अपने unique creativity और human touch को preserve कर सकते हैं by leveraging its capabilities. The combination of AI tools and human creativity can unlock a future जहाँ creators innovative और engaging content बना सकते हैं. AI has the potential to expedite the creative process, raise concerns about job security and authenticity. लेकिन AI कभी creators का replacement नहीं बन सकता, बल्कि वो creators जो AI को एक tool जैसे अपनाते हैं और उसके capabilities को इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वही इस ever evolving दुनिया में अपना रास्ता बना सकते हैं. The future belongs to those who understand the power of collaboration between human creativity and AI technology.